before the test and off through math class. Not a child was learning, not even the trash. Study guides were passed out, but no one cared. Everyone left when the school bell blared. The children nestled snug in their beds when they remembered the test that was soon ahead. They jumped from their sheets and stirred with regret when they didn't listen to when their teacher said, tangent x cosine sine 3.14159. Opposite adjacent hypotenuse, learn SOHCAHTOA to know what to use. Away to school, the children flew like a flash in hopes of finishing the test fast. Their teacher warned them if they didn't know how to use some indifference to learn the cut and sew. She would give them all zeros, she said with a sneer, and that anyone could do better, even Santa's reindeer. The children were scared they'd better learn quick, or they won't be getting goodies from old St. Nick. From this point on, the children exclaimed, we need to remember the day she explained. Tangent x cosine sine 3.14159. Opposite adjacent hypotenuse, learn SOHCAHTOA to know what to use. Hours before class, and the children still didn't know all. They wished she kept the trigonometric signs on the wall. As hard as they could to remember angle and side, they just couldn't as hard as they tried. Until Christmas came early and their savior came through. Rajan Pharma knew what to do. He'd been studying for weeks and was never around, always tweeting about how he was homebound. With minutes to go, Rajan showed what he knows by giving the children a lesson on tans, cos, and sos. Tangent x cosine sine 3.14159. Opposite adjacent hypotenuse, learn SOHCAHTOA to know what to use. Full of excitement, the children walked into class, knowing that SOHCAHTOA always had their back. From their minds they thought tangent equals opposite over adjacent. They thanked Rajan for whom he's complacent. Grades were passed out, and everyone cared, and everyone left with 100s when the school bell blared.